Joint pain remedy. My mother had serious joint pain, which really affected her life daily. Thanks to this special remedy, her joint pains have totally vanished into a thin air. Say goodbye to joint pains today. This is Green Cures. You are most welcome. We will start by peeling off our banana, and then we'll cut the banana into slices. Banana is well known for its anti-inflammatory properties, which can easily fight arthritis. It contains vitamin B6, which naturally cures joint inflammation. Take small onions, peel, and then you cut into small pieces. People naturally feel pain in joint as we age due to wear and tear. The onion is crucial in maintaining bone health and contribute to overall strength of the heart. It protects the heart by reducing cholesterol in our body. We also need turmeric powder. Turmeric strengthens the bone and strengthens muscle contraction, nerve function, and blood clotting efficiently. Knowing the benefit of these ingredients, we put them together in a blender and add a liter of water and blend for about 3 minutes. After blending, filter the content to extract the juice and discard the remaining fiber. This is our juice that will help us relieve pain in our joints. Consume 1 to 2 glasses a day for a week and you will see great change. Leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.